Namaste, welcome back to my channel. My dear children and parents, hope you all are doing well. Today we'll discuss about another technique which is called as Sutra Neti. This is the technique for cleaning our nostril and throat. It cleans all the way, the path, all the coughs and any types of blocks or anything. It will just open up and the breath will be more healthy, smooth, and subtle. Then you will feel so relaxed also after doing this. Our rishis munis gave so many techniques to clean all our internal parts, everything. They treat it as a temple, a sacred place. They treat the body as a sacred place. That's why they gave all the techniques to clean. How we clean our homes and outside, like that. They told to clean our internal organs, internal part also. So let's start. This is a rubber catheter. By this we'll clean. And for the beginning, because there may be some blocks inside, so for the lubrication we need some oil. We'll put some oil, the mustard oil, the pure mustard will be the best. Just apply on it, basically on the tip. Now insert it in one of the nostril slowly. In the beginning some sneezes will become, let it become, no problem. Slowly insert. Then take it from the mouth. See, slowly take it out from the mouth. You will see so many sticky things are attached to this rubber. Means all the cuffs, everything just come out. And you will feel so relaxed after that. Same way in the other nostril also will do. Slowly take it out. Again we will see so many sticky things just attached to it. Next time when you use it, just clean it with some warm water, adding some salt, so it will be clean thoroughly, and it will be helpful for the all the asthma and sinusitis and lungs related problem, breath related problem, and it will gives so much relax to the brain also. Hope this video will be helpful for all of you. And if it is helpful, then please like and share and subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for the getting the notification for the next video. Thank you.